All right, everybody, what's up? It's a Saturday. It's November the 22nd. I've got about a week until I go see my parents in Canada. So let's take a look at the market, how we're trending. And guys, I've called this a very long time ago. You can see that this right here was the golden ratio from the bottom here to the top there. This hits literally the golden ratio / golden pocket. So there might be a chance for a bounce, but unfortunately, I don't think it's going to hold. This is the reason why I don't think it's going to hold, is because Bitcoin is got this higher high pattern. Okay, it bounces, it finds a resistance there, and then the trend line's established more so when this one forms. Okay, so now you got 3 points that form a very strong higher high, and then you finally, based off of price action, it breaks above it. It comes back down and it actually bounces at the higher high. Therefore, this is going to act as another support. The reason I don't think that Ethereum will hold where we are now is because Bitcoin's likely to head to these ranges between 7,700 and 80,000. So if Bitcoin heads to there, the more likely scenario is Ethereum is probably going to get down to like the a lot more, guys. It's probably going to get down to these ranges. So I'm not longing anything. There's not really any signals to long. I think that Ethereum will get down to over there before the year ends. Before the year ends, that's my prediction. I know I've been very, very bearish, but unfortunately, I've also been right. So you can't just be bearish without being right? Like maybe we're even at a support already. Like, you know, no, I don't think so. Not quite yet. I think we're going to be conservative and just kind of wait. The market cap is not really, it's not, oh, wow. Guys. Oh, it happened. Our worst nightmare literally just happened. Like the worst nightmare happened a few days ago. I didn't even notice it, that it happened 2 days ago. This is the worst nightmare you can imagine. So this is when the pattern for the bull market was confirmed. Higher high, right? Higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low. So it's a really good expanding diagonal. Expanding diagonals, you know, they tend to break down, right? They tend to break to the downside, and it doesn't look good. So now we've actually broken the expanding diagonal pattern officially, which confirms that the bull market is 100% over. The trend has changed. We've also broken pretty much this pattern. This was basically like an ascending triangle, right? Ascending triangle for the total 3 market cap, but it kept hammering the top resistance 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadruple top so far on a shorter time frame here, and now we're heading down. Our worst nightmares have been confirmed, right? Of a bull market not continuing. So this alone definitely confirms that we have taken a turn for the worst. Just so you know, an altcoin season doesn't have to happen. Many people think that an altcoin season needs to happen, but it doesn't. So I'm getting very excited for a relief rally, because when the relief rally happens, that's going to be a good distribution phase. I'm basically waiting for one distribution phase. Right now, there has been no distribution phases on the downtrend. It's been basically a parabolic drop down. We are now in the decline stage and the capitulation stage. So we have to be able to identify what stage we're in. I'm waiting for a distribution phase where we can find something a little bit more relevant. And then we're going to probably drop to the downside. I mean, look at here. This is actually very funny. If you notice this on an 8-hour, right? If you're sharp enough, you'll notice it, right? This is like on an 8-hour kind of pattern here. You can see it, right? You can see it very, very clearly. It's kind of like a channel, right? It forms just in here, just like that, right? If you go back actually on a higher time frame, in the previous bull markets, you can see very, very similar things happening, right? Very, very similar things before. Like here is, you know, December 2022, early days, and then this is a distribution phase which eventually breaks down, and here it was doing the same thing on an 8-hour time frame, right? Like on a smaller time frame there. So you can see a lot of similarities starting to show up already, right? Like right here, you can see similarities like right there, lots of similarities. So this bear market is going exactly the way as expected, to be quite honest. Okay, and by the way, those that don't know me, my name is Phil, and I've been in the crypto space for about 11 years now. 11 years, 2 major bear markets, 3 major bull markets. I've seen everything. I've traded every single market. Those that know me know that I'm a day trader mainly, right? So I'm getting very excited to be trading this market soon. Yeah, just jumping into it today, it doesn't really look good in any way. You know, there's some coins that we can probably day trade. Some coins have been delisted. I got to update my list on Binance. AIA is always one of those coins that does a lot of crazy things. But because it does crazy things, it also makes you want to stay away from it, not really necessarily trade it, right? So a lot of these coins, you know, they're unexpected. You're not going to ever be able to catch it, right? You might have thought, oh, I could have bought a little bit. Yeah, but you could have bought a little bit, maybe over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. Like, you don't know, right, where the bottom is. There can be crossover after crossover after crossover, and then finally, which crossover is it that's going to go up? Right here is a 12-hour finally, but not all 12 hours crossing over will rally like that. So you don't really know anything about that coin. A lot of these coins are moving to the upside today, but not really with any clear rhythm. Nothing from an Elliott wave perspective that we can easily identify to perhaps catch a short. Just parabolic moves that's driven by hype. So these are very, very impossible coins to be trading, in my opinion. So it's probably better to just stay away from them rather than actually try to entertain them and try to trade them. Because if you do try to get into these kind of coins and trade them, best case scenarios, you're probably going to lose on the trade. You're most likely going to lose on it. It's just too parabolic, and there's not enough of a pullback, right? You know, it's very low volume as well, low liquidity. So best thing to do when you see these kind of coins is just kind of take a step back rather than get excited and be like, yeah, I can do something really good with it. Let's take a look at some of the top coins that have moved. Like, let's take a look at, you know, like Near Protocol, like those kind of coins. Like, they don't look, let's look at it like on a 4-day, kind of in between a week and a daily. I like the 4-day because it gives you a snapshot kind of like in the middle of the week, right? Or even a 2-day, right? So you see Near dropping, hasn't made a new low yet. XLM is really bad. Like, you look at all of these structures, they look brutal. Sui, brutal, but they haven't broken their previous lows yet. They will soon, I think. Like Polkadot, H-bar, like these coins, you know, you zoom out, guys, and you ask yourselves, you know, like, is this really a bull market, right? Like, is this really a bull market? And the answer was, we had a short-lived one, you know, 2024, 2025, very short-lived one, 2024, 2025, but now it's over, and it's time to really get serious. And I think that the only way you can really profit is to day trade, right? That's why I created my Black Friday, guys. It's 40% off right now. For anybody that knows me, knows that I'm one of the top tier traders out there. I've created a lot of systems. I've turned a lot of people into very wealthy millionaires. Some of my courses have helped people beyond you can imagine. So I created this bear market shorting systems course just so you guys can have an edge. I strongly recommend you take a look at the website, see what it can offer you. But it's pretty cool because it comes with 2 things. One is, well, of course, the course. 2 is the Discord group. And the third one that you get is access to this right here. You're going to get access to a Friday night live stream where I trade with you, and we're going to try to hunt for trades together live. Okay, like not recording, but live. And on Sunday, there's a Sunday live stream, weekly recap with lessons and question and answers. So you're getting a lot of value out of it. It's also 40% off right now. I promised you that if you go through this course, you're going to feel very confident compared to the people that don't go through it. Some of the content that I produce is some of the top tier in the world when it comes to trading, especially for retail traders like you and I at home. Take a look at it. It might very well be one of the best investments that you'll make in yourselves. So the coins right now are just looking awful. I mean, look at XRP, right? Back down. It's already back down 50%, guys. Like, I mean, before it drew down 68%. You know, Bitcoin is probably going to be on pace soon to just make another drop down. Ethereum is not, it's not the right time to bounce. It's not. So the only thing I can do is just set my alerts. I'm going to set my alert a little bit lower just to get ready for this downtrend because I think it's going to happen eventually. When it happens, people are going to be very glad that they listened to me. Secondly, that they took my course. I'm not kidding, man. That's some of the best work that I've put out. I only release these courses because, 1, by popular demand, and 2, because it truly helps people. It really does help people navigate the course. Yeah, it costs a little bit, but my time and experience is worth something, right? So definitely take a look at it, guys. Get in the Discord group. It's where you're going to get some of the best updates. I'm going to lead you through the bear market, and hopefully not only you will survive it, but you'll thrive in it. And if you can survive and thrive in the bear market, then we start trading together in the bull market again. It's just all seasonal, right? This is just cyclical. There's ups, there's downs, bull markets, bear markets, and then eventually the good days come. As long as we make it through the bad days, we're going to be able to celebrate the good days together, and that's how the bull markets oscillate. They're not always good days. The bad days is where you have to really learn that risk management and how to take care of yourself. So guys, my verdict still very bearish. Bitcoin's going to drop to 78,000 to 80,000 range. Ethereum's going to drop to probably 2,400, I'm guessing. And it's probably going to happen before the end of the year. So I'm very, very bearish still. See you soon. Bye now. I'll see you in the course.